Alright guys, good morning. We have something to show you. Welcome to our video. We got one fish in, two fish in. I'm gonna play these takedowns and fights back for you guys so you can see that, but Chad's gonna put this in the kill bag for us. Oh, you wanna show us his fin or whatever? What is that?
So that's how Idaho marks their fish. Instead of cutting their adipose off, they cut their this fin off, and that makes sure that that is a hatchery fish.
That's pretty cool because this one still has both theirs. So, anyways, guys, stay tuned for more.
About the fish?
Oh my god! Oh my gosh! Go back up to the guy. Don't do that.
Like yesterday.
Here. Alright, first.
They don't, yeah.
Well, not in the boat because it's Coho and it's a native, so we can't keep it, but we'll send it back. On a Bronco. That's the second one. We lost the first one, but got this one in the net. Oh, he's so cute. Watch out for the wakes. All right.
Get out of this.
Chad's letting them go. Bye.
Yep. Go for it. All good. Keep it going, sis. Keep the line tight. Quick kick it in. It wasn't off one. That's how you
It's like a nookie.
Freaking yo!
What was going on with that? Were
Dude,
you reeling that in?
Yes, I went to go reel it in. And I was like, Mom, it's tangled on yours. Because it was like doing something, acting weird. Like kind of fighting back, honestly. And so then it started to run. And I was like, okay, this is a fish. Then it went all the way to 100.
What the heck?
And then we chased it and got it in.
Nice.
Here, I'll show you.
It's off of the right, look down. Little spots
Look at that. Beautiful. Gosh, it looks good. That was so cool. First fish of the, well, first keeper of the day, guys. And we're only like less than an hour in.
He's under their boat then. But they don't have their line. Should we put it back there?
I don't know, because
Came close.
there, that sure ran on you, didn't it? Oh, no. I bet we lost someone in front of that. Oh.
That didn't work.
Did you get that on there?
Yeah.
Who's heavy?
Or were you trying to... That's your box, right?
Trevor, what'd you reel in?
I guess it was a Chinook. Felt like a little baby.
jobs forever when people mind check it.
What are you saying, Trevor?
So that didn't take it all. It was like
What did
2
that?
little thumps.
What did that bite on?
I think it was the Bronco again.
Yeah, same
Same
rod.
one.
Same
Same
rod.
flasher.
That's the 3rd time. So we're gonna keep that set up.
Oh
on
no, we switched it out because it
No,
didn't
it's
it
the
break?
same. Oh,
It's a
it
Mexican
is
hat.
different in Mexican hat.
It's just the hot rod.
Yeah, it is. Oh, jeez. All right, guys, that is a wrap on today. We ended up finishing with 3 chromers, and then we lost 2 fish, but that's okay. Today, the hot ticket was the Mexican hat and a Bronco, actually, which is the first time this season that, or lately, that's been a popular spinner. So anyways, guys, good day. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.